So the condition of this, we have called the exterior very, very good. And I'll show you all around. You can see it's lovely and shiny. It's in that lovely shape still, that lovely little square shape. And those corners are in a gorgeous condition as well. There's just one tiny little mark on the back here, you can see. It's minuscule, so that's why we've called it very, very good. Other than that, it's in gorgeous condition and we've called it excellent. That suede lining again, beautiful, soft in there, and there is no other marks, signs of wear or faults for me to show you. It is so cute and it's just perfect. I'll show you what it comes with. So we've got, again, that little removable strap on there, and we've got tiny little Boyy dust bag, and then we've also got Boyy authenticity card, Boyy product tag, and also Boyy box as well, so it would make a perfect little gift. If you wanted to know any exact measurements for this tiny little Boyy, you can go to the link in the description below, and that's the link to shop this bag, so it should hopefully take you directly to this Boyy on our website. If it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But tiny cute little things seem to have been quite popular in arm candy recently. So if this is your thing, then we have a request list that you can get onto. Just let us know what it is that you like and we'll get you on the request list. And then as soon as we get in something that you like, we'll send you through your not welcome discount code, that's later on. We'll send you through a link to shop in an email, so that hopefully you can get in there nice and quickly the next time we get in something that you like. So as I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll show you the size on me for reference. So again, it's just so sweet. You can pop it on your shoulder like that. And it's so tiny, not practical at all, but you don't need to be practical when you're this cute, or you can pop it over as a crossbody like that as well. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4" for reference, if that's any help. Or if you wanted to pop off those removable strap, I'll just show you how you do that. So that's got little press stud fastens and it just slips through like that really easily. And then you've got the option to have it just like that with no attachments to it, or you can pop on this little strap. That just goes through the top handles like that. And there you go, you've got it as a little charm as well, which is really cute. So again, for more details on this little Boyy Bobby charm on strap, go to the link in the description below. Have a browse to our website while you're there, sign up to our newsletter, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code, which you can use on your first purchase with us. And also, if you're a bag lover like we are, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and while you're on our website, have a look at the How to Sell with Us page. So if you've got any bags that you'd like to sell with Arm Candy Bag Co, all the details you need to know about selling with us are on that page. So have a read through the process, and we'll see you later with some more arm candy.